Miss Wendy here from pre-K, back out in my garden on a sunshiny day. Got all my dirt in. Looky here. Everything's in. So, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with some lettuce. I have 3 kinds. 1, 2, 3. They come in these little packages. And inside, when you open it up, are these itty bitty seeds. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Itty bitty seeds. They're teeny tiny, but it's going to grow into a beautiful green plant with lettuce on it, and I will be able to pick it up out of the garden and eat it. Now, each one of these little tiny seeds is going to go in the ground and get covered with dirt and get lots of water and sunshine and grow into a beautiful plant. And that's part of how we get our lettuce that you see in the stores. So I'm going to get started with lettuce today. Next time, I think we're going to do some green beans and some green peppers, okay? We're going to keep planting our seeds, putting it in the dirt, giving it water, and then we're going to watch it grow. Can't wait. I miss you guys so much. Bye-bye.